What's good? This Made Media Magazine checking in. Please hit that like button, hit that share, and subscribe if you ain't subscribed to my channel. Don't forget to leave a comment and hit that bell so you be notified next time I go live or drop a video. Much love, y'all. Peace.
Video footage has surfaced of the Easter party shooting that resulted in the arrest of rodwave and his 4 affiliates, man. This is an update on that situation. I got video coming up of rodwave lawyer speaking out. He says that the police claims are false. rodwave had nothing to do with this situation. He said that rodwave has never been convicted of a felony, you know what I'm saying? So it looked like police done jumped the gun. I guess all black people was felons out there in Florida. This all Florida up next. 3 men who have ties to St. Pete native rapper rodwave has been arrested after 4 people were shot on Easter evening. Assistant police chief said the department identified a group of involved with the shooting that goes by the name of Young Gangsters, or YG, on social media. Those 3 men are Christopher Atkins, Keith Wesby, and Cavante Wesby. And there's also 2 more suspects who will be in custody. Officers on the scene of the shooting reportedly recovered 60 bullet casings. Police said that 3 men fled the scene to a rented house located on 500 Palm Avenue. Both the vehicles and the rented house were reportedly under rodwave's real name, Rogers Green. The police department performed a search warrant in the house Monday night when they found 2 assault rifles, 2 pods of marijuana, and other evidence. I'm going to show you video of all the evidence they got. They took all of his jewelry. All his jewelry has abbreviations, that they try and tie into a gang. So it looked like they trying to build a Rico. But the lawyer's saying that they jumped the gun. rodwave is a good standing citizen. He never been convicted of any crime, but they already put out that he's a convicted felon. So, yeah, man, shit looking crazy. But check this video out of the whole situation. Also, rodwave lawyer speaking out. Make sure y'all hit that like button, hit that share and subscribe. This Made Media Magazine. I'm out.
rodwave is speaking out for the first time after the St. Pete musician was falsely arrested during a police investigation of a weekend shooting.
And tonight, he is speaking with 10 Tampa Bay as police announced 2 more arrests in this case. The 5 people that you'll see right here on your screen, they are now facing charges connected to the shooting outside of the Sonic Sports Bar and Lounge on 49th Street South Sunday night.
4 people were hurt but are expected to recover. Police say the shooters are connected to a violent group that's known for drug trafficking and other shootings in the area. Investigators tell us members of the group are living in and driving vehicles registered to rodwave or his record label. During the search of his Manatee County home, police arrested the rapper and charged him with possession of a firearm by a convicted felon. But they later discovered he is not a convicted felon and dropped the charge. Tonight, his attorney spoke with 10 Tampa Bay's Aaron Parsegian, firing back, blasting police over this investigation. Aaron?
Yeah, Dave, rodwave was arrested, spent a few hours in jail. His mugshot was on national news, and his attorney says none of that should have happened.
It's disappointing that a police officer wouldn't do a better job of doing their homework before they put handcuffs on somebody and take them to jail.
Mark Rankin says it blankly. His client, rodwave, was wrongfully arrested when police took him into custody on charges of being a felon in possession of ammunition.
That charge was completely unfounded. It was based solely upon the sworn statement of a law enforcement officer who told a judge that he was in possession of ammunition, which was not true, and that he was a prior felon, which was not true. In fact, he's never been convicted of any felony.
A spokesperson for the St. Pete Police Department says it was determined after the artist's arrest the charge was inaccurate and he was released. They add they are conducting an internal review of the employee who made the mistake.
Either they didn't do their job by looking and making sure he was a convicted felon, or they knew that he was not a convicted felon and went forward with the case anyway. And I hope that it wasn't the second one.
This all stems from 2 search warrants executed at homes rodwave rents in Pinellas and Manatee counties, tied to an investigation into this St. Pete shooting where 4 people were injured. Police say they seized weapons, money, and arrested the 3 men involved at a home where Rodwave also was. Detectives say they are part of a violent group known as YG, or Young Gangsters. Rodwave has not been charged in connection to the shooting, and Rankin denies his client has any gang ties.
All I can say is that Rodwave is not affiliated with any gang or any gangs. I can't comment on anything else that the police department's talking about except for what they arrested him for, which obviously even the state and the judge immediately realized that he was not guilty.
Aaron, police are maintaining Rodwave has a connection to the suspects that they arrested.
Yeah, they said those men have been living in homes and driving in vehicles registered in Rodwave or his record labels names. They also add this is still an active investigation. They'll be continuing to do some work here.
And right now on 10tampabay.com, you can read that